Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free screenshot software with inbuilt annotation tools for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as screenshot, and the first it will say its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download now option. Now just select the Windows version. So when the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Let's just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on install for me only. Click on OK, click on I accept, click on next, 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 click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Now just click on the taskbar tray menu icon and here you will see the application is started. Now just right mouse click on it. Now you'll see here various options and some shortcuts in order to use this application. So say I want to capture the full screen. So I'm gonna select this capture full screen. You can select a region also depending upon your needs by pressing the print screen key on your computer keyboard. So I'm gonna select the capture full screen. So here you can see various options. So I'm gonna select open in image editor. Now this is the screenshots inbuilt image editor with various annotation tools, as you can see on the left panel. Say if you want to use some arrow markings, so you can just click on it and you can just directly drag it here. Even you can add different structures like ellipse, rectangle, and even you can resize it depending upon your needs. Even you can increase the line thickness also. And you can enable or disable the shadow by clicking on it. And below there are more annotation tools. You can draw a freehand also. You can add a text box also. You can add a speech bubbles. You can highlight. You can obfuscate. You can add effects. Even you can crop, rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, and there is a resize option also. So tons of annotation tools. And if you want to move it, then just select this selection tool in order to move the respective annotation tools here. And above you will see more options like cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, tons more options, so which you can check out by yourself. So once you're done with your editing, just click on this file. Now you have about different options to save. So I'm gonna select as save as. So here also you can save as a type. So here you can see a different image formats which you can select. Even there is a ICO file or a screenshot also. So whichever you want to select, you can select it. So I'm gonna select the PNG, click on save. So let us open. So you can see the annotations which we have added on the respective screenshot image file. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free screenshot software with inbuilt annotation tools for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.